Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a few examples on how to list files and folders in directories. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a subroutine. Let's just increase the font size there a little bit. Subroutine, and I'm going to call it list files. And this is the simplest way to do it. We're simply going to use say to print out, and then we're going to do dir for directories, and then I'm going to type in the full path of my desktop on Windows. For you will have to find your desktop path, because if you simply type in this, it won't work because it's my desktop path for my own machine. Okay, so we've got that there, and then we're going to use .map and simply an asterisk, and dot base name. So this is the simplest example. Let's just call the subroutine. Save it there. Let's run it in our terminal. Make sure I've got no typos there as far as I can see. So Raku test.raku. Hit enter. And there we go, it's listed all the files and folders on my desktop. Okay, so we're going to have a look at example 2 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock that out there, and I'm going to create a path to my desktop. So that's going to be my scalar path. Again, this is to my own desktop, so you will have to find your own particular desktop path for this, because typing this in and using it on your machine will throw an error. Okay, so desktop, so that's the path to my desktop in Windows. All I have to do now is use CHDIR to change, type in path here to change to that particular path. Right, okay, let's just save that a little bit. So we've got the path to my desktop, and we're going to change directory into that path. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to create a variable called my directory list, assign it to directory and to the scalar path above that we just created. And again, it's going to be .map, it's going to be asterisk and base name. All we have to do is print that out by using say and dir list. Hit enter there, save it. Let's just clear all this. Let's just run the program. Raku test.raku. Okay, so let's just hit enter. And there we go, we've got the same result again. It's listed all the directories and files. Okay, so the .map here and the base name extracts files and directory names without the path. Okay, so let's have a look here. Let's go on to the next one, which is going to be another example. Just knock that out there. Oops, what have I done there? put that down there. Let's knock this bit out here. So what's different about this is we're going to be using user input. So I'm going to create a scalar variable called path. I better get rid of this here because we're going to enter in our own path here. So I'll just get rid of that. Let's just neaten that up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to call this path, and we're going to assign it to prompt, which will get the user input, and then we're going to tell the user what to do. So we'll tell the user to enter full path here. Okay. Then we're going to create another scalar variable called directory path. I'm going to assign it to the built-in keyword here called dir, and then we're going to do path. So we're going to type in the full directory path, and it's going to grab it here. Of course, we're going to finish off with .map and asterisk base name. Okay, and we're just going to print it out. So it's going to be dir path, directory path. Right, let's just save it. I want a different directory path this time, so let's just clear this here. Okay, I'll just quickly give it a save. So I'm going to do downloads. Raku test Raku. Okay, I'm being prompted to enter the full path. So to my downloads file, it's going to be C. Users. Oh dear, sorry about that. What have I done? Okay, let's try it again. Test. Raku. Okay. Right, so that's going to be C. Users. Downloads. Okay, so my downloads directory, hit enter, and there you go, we're in my downloads directory there. Okay, so that looks all above board. So anyway, thank you very much for coming along with me, and if you've not already subscribed, make sure you do that now before you forget, and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.